Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Deluxe 12 by 24 foot by 52 inch above ground pool with accessories. Take in the summertime, sunsplashing and playing in the Deluxe 12 by 24 foot by 52 inch above ground pool. This outdoor pool is a perfect fit for almost any backyard. This made of hot-dipped galvanized steel walls strengthened with deep corrugation, molded resin covers, galvanized steel ledges and verticals, and universal top and bottom steel rails and plates. Tru-Lock wall closure offers a newly designed fastening system for maximum strength, greater wall stability, and a faster, easier assembly. The package includes oval GLI Uni-Bead Liner, locking A-frame ladder, sand filter system, and wide mouth wall skimmer. With the sturdy design, you'll be able to enjoy pool time year after year. Product benefits include sand filter system with 1 horsepower pump, corrugated steel pool wall for flexibility and vertical strength. This pool carries a 20-year warranty backed by Hollowell Industries. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.